Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going on an incredible journey through the captivating history of artificial intelligence, AI. Get ready to be inspired as we explore the remarkable milestones that have shaped the world of AI. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and join us for this amazing adventure. AI, the driven force behind countless innovations, has a fascinating and rich history. It all started with visionary individuals who dared to dream of machines capable of thinking and learning like humans. Their pursuit of creating intelligent machines laid the foundation for the AI revolution we experience today. Our story begins in 1950s when the term artificial intelligence was coined. Bold scientists and brilliant mathematicians armed with their mighty calculators and incredible imaginations embarked on a quest to build machines capable of simulating human intelligence. The early years of AI were filled with groundbreaking discoveries and ambitious experiments. From the famous Turing test proposed by Alan Turing to the development of the first AI programs, the stage was set for a technical revolution that would shape the course of human history. Fast forward to the 1980s, a time when AI entered popular culture through movies and books, captivating the imagination of the masses. Though progress was made, AI faced significant challenges this period known as the AI winter. So high expectations but struggles in delivering on those promises. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, AI made a triumphant comeback in the late 1990s and early 2000s. Advancements in computing power, data availability, and algorithmic breakthroughs breathed new life into the field. AI was no longer confined to science fiction, it was becoming a reality. In recent years, we have witnessed an explosion of AI applications that have revolutionized industries worldwide. From self driving cars to voice assistants, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives, making them more convenient, efficient, and interconnected. The beauty of AI lies in its transformative power. It has the potential to solve complex problems, unlock new frontiers in healthcare, the reshape transportation, and even address global challenges like climate change. With AI, the possibilities are truly endless. But let's not forget the most crucial aspect of AI, the human factor. Behind every AI breakthrough and innovation, there are brilliant minds, dedicated researchers, and passionate individuals who push the boundaries of what's possible. Their relentless pursuit of knowledge and their desire to make a positive impact propel AI forward. AI isn't just about algorithms and machines. It's about improving lives, empowering communities, and fostering inclusivity. It has the power to bridge gaps, break barriers, and create a more equitable world. As we marvel at the incredible advancements and achievements of AI, let's remember to tread carefully. Ethical considerations, privacy protection, and responsible development must guide our journey. We have the responsibility to ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests. As we conclude this mesmerizing voyage through the history of AI, let's celebrate the triumphs, learn from setbacks, and embrace the future with optimism. AI continues to evolve, and it's up to us to shape its destiny. Together, let's harness the power of AI for the betterment of our world. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more captivating content. time, stay inspired, and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.